Wait, what are you guys doing? Come on.
How many miles are on your R1 now?
Oh, see that? That's not supposed to be like that.
Hell no.
It has ball bearings. That shit doesn't even have the bearings in it.
I'm curious, where are the ball bearings at?
They're not there.
The reason why that was leaking, shit, this shit came apart. Look at this. Fucking bearings, it's here. C-clamp is right here. Don't want to put too much torque in this. We'll have to run its power. Get bitches in. No, please. This is what you problem.
That's just
And like, maybe like 2 years or so.
yeah.
Yeah, that bitch hurt. I'll deal with the pain later, bro.
Later, ya later no te va a doler. Sóbate ahora.
I'll deal with that pain later, bro. I don't have time for pain.
Did your belly pan come already wrapped or with the heat shield, or you did that yourself?
With the heat shield, that's full 6. That's why they charge you so fucking much.
Yeah, that's what I see.
That one is very expensive. So belly pans out there like $200 cheaper, but I got that one. I believe I bought a 10. Right here, buddy. We're in business, bros. All right, boys, you're gonna put some oil, turn this bitch on. And cross your fingers it doesn't blow up. Boom, boom. Poor Jose, man. Jose put his vacation money on this shit.
It was actually my tattoo money.
Oh, fuck, man.
From my other side. I had like 3 sessions, so I just did 2.
Ahora José se le fueron los chavos de tatuaje aquí. Good news is we're about to put oil in it and turn her on. Wow, I did really good. Did a nice number on this.
You want my
Piece.
helmet? My jacket? My jacket is there.
Yeah.
My
That's a
jacket is
distraction, but
I was just.
there. If you
Each
want,
his
because he has the same helmet.
No.
don't le meto todo aceite, then I have to fucking
Hacer un
vaciarle.
drainage de la madre.
Like your boy, remember your boy had like
Fucking
pour over?
shit, ese cabrón. Yo, Suarez, bitch.
What happened?
Suarez,
He had like a pour
hizo un
over.
oil change.
Himself?
And no, yeah, and didn't change the oil.
How?
He put too much oil in
How
it.
I do that? Like, bro,
He did an oil change y no sacó el oil viejo.
Give me
He
the keys
just,
to the bike.
What?
yeah, he just said fuck it.
Keys.
He changed the filter, took the filter off, put a new filter back on, and then dumped it with oil.
I'm guessing he just learned YouTube.
Whoever did that shit on YouTube blew their fucking bike up.
You never change the oil or check the level of oil when it's on the kickstand. She has to be upright.
Yeah, because it'll be leaning, right? So it won't be straight.
You see that? That's all air pockets. All right, come on, bitch. Talk to Dada.
el helmet, ven que yo me tengo que ir. Yo. Yo vengo el otro domingo para acá, ustedes vienen para New Hope, lo que
I
sea.
don't want to do this, but there you go. No, see these little yellow things? He didn't have these either. These are the ones to keep it from opening up. He didn't have these, or he didn't have the front ones. So the front was loose. I said, bro, the wind's gonna get in there. Wow! So you didn't have that, you didn't have that. Those are things that you invested in. None of that shit you had on that fucking bike, bro.
I'm gonna ride it. I would have came back with a naked bike.
Eventually, honestly, I believe it would have came
I
off.
would have come back
On
with
the FZ07,
I would have
bro.
came back with an M7. What happened to your
What happened to your bike? It's a naked bike.
the naked bike? I don't know.
I don't know.
It's back on Route 1.
Eventually would have came on, buddy.
I gotta go pick up my pants. Here for like half hour, and I'm like, why the fuck this shit not changing color? My shit was intense.
Oh, loco.
Yo, este maldito muffler yo tengo ahora aquí dándole.
I got a hole in that shit
Bro, I
now.
was sitting there revving my bike trying to get that shit hot. I'm like, bro, esta mierda no cambia de color, loco.
What's going on here? What's going on here?
Después con el tiempo, that's when I learned. I'm like,
I don't even know that.
titanium is a lot lighter. You can tell too. When it's new, it looks a little different. See how that one looks like bronze, like
Yeah.
kind of brownish?
Yeah.
Titanium will look like that. It'll stay kind of more on the silver edge. And then from the silver.
Oh, another thing I want to show you. Hold on. One more thing I'm going to show you. Right here, the adjuster. The other one didn't even have the adjuster, the lever. Fucking this. That's important. All right, Jose, your bike is fixed. Happy camper?
Yes, sir.
Put your ass on camera. That was crazy. So apparently they took this apart before and they reinstalled it wrong. The clamp wasn't even in place. Once I removed this, the bearings and that little C clamp was inside. So it literally just came off the pump. So yeah, but we got it running, which is important, right? Thank God it wasn't anything worse.